All right, guys, that's the end of the tour. So a very big thank you to you guys for sticking around. Oh, time to get out of here. Jeez, it's not easy. Thank you.
Thank you.
Sorry. Thank you. Oh, sorry, I didn't look around this place. Oh. Hashtag Milford cruise. Okay. I didn't look around this beautiful, what do you call this, cabin? This is 343 configuration. Where's the business class? No business class on here? Oh, that's the captain's. Well done, well done. Thank you guys very much. Enjoyed the cruise. It was fantastic.
Could I ask you to do us a favour? When you get to the top of the gangway up there, would you be able to put the chain across?
Okay, sure.
The gate? Thank you.
No worries, I will do that for you. Thank you. See you. All right, that's the end of the show, guys. Yeah, where is the chain? I need to find it. Anyways, I hope you guys have all enjoyed, and a very big thank you to each and every single one of you. Hit the like button if you have enjoyed, and yeah, hit the like button if you've enjoyed. I'm trying to look for the chain. See, at the end of the gangway. Maybe it's that one there. And yes, if you're new on here, please kindly smash the subscribe button. It does help us quite a lot, so that the quality that we're giving you guys would reflect the numbers. So yeah, please do us a favor and smash that like button. I believe this is the chain on the gangway. Yeah, I believe somebody has already done that. But anyways, as he has instructed, let me help them out. Come on. All right, so I've gotten that, but I will do it my own way. So I am out of here my own way. So yes, evidence. I have helped you guys. So yeah, thank you. Oh, so what a cruise it was. And yes, thank you guys very much. That was a treacherous conditions. I'm all drenched up. My hands are frozen. But yeah, what a cruise it was. Oh, what a cruise. So yes, all I can say is a massive thank you to everyone involved in this cruise. It was not easy. It was not. Oh. Alrighty. Anyways, yeah, going back to the shed or to the center. And yeah, thank you guys very much and have a wonderful day. Thank you.